This is a quick video. I wanted to create a template so that as I'm updating path ability, I'm not having to do as much throughout the league. So I just created a template that is easy to use and I don't have to make as many adjustments each time, just import and then explain what I've done. That being said, other people might find it useful. So I'm going to link this template in the description if you find it useful. Great. I'm going to explain how to use it real fast. It's pretty straightforward. If you know anything about path building, which I assume most people do, but I'm going to go ahead and I've done a bunch of trees here. And there is something specific you have to do, and that's all this video is, other than sharing this. So if I'm in Act 1 and I import a build, I'm going to go into my account here. I'm going to go to Standard. And I'm going to import the first elementalist I have right there. Click passives, items. There we go. Tree. If I go to tree, my tree is now in place. This is my fire trap elementalist. If I go to skills, it's Act 1. It shows my skills. If I go to items, it shows my items. And the passive tree is locked, or is not locked, but is in Act 1 as well. This is the part where you have to be careful, and this is what I use. I use this before I start uploading any videos. I use this to simply monitor my own builds. I just normally would make it as I go, and instead I just decided I should make a template because it makes everything easier, and then I can just, anytime I'm making a new character, I can just copy the template. So this is, if I go back to import, actually, hang on. Before I do that, I go to tree. I'm going to change this to Act 2, go over to Skills, change this to Act 2, go over to Items, change this to Act 2, and ensure Passive Tree is also Act 2. I'm going to go to Import, and I'm going to switch down to this Occultist here, and I'm going to import the Passive Tree, import the Skills tree. Now, here's the thing. I have everything in place. And everything's in place here. Looks like everything should be good to go. There is nothing on this character, so that's all that's sitting on this character right now. So everything is appropriate. This is a, I don't even remember what this is. It's an occultist. Occultist is set up here, and if I go back to Act 1, it switches back to the elementalist. And you have to be cautious though. Depending on what you want to do, say you update your character, you go to import and you're going to import this again. You don't generally want to delete your jewels. You do want to delete your skills. You do not want to delete your equipment. If you have old equipment and you want to see the changes you've made, you uncheck this box. That way it has both the old item and new item available for the same slot. So if I go like this, and it's not going to do anything on this one because there's nothing there, I would then be able to go to items and pick from, well, there's the major for the other character, but then there'd be two options there. One from the previous act, and it's labeled where everything is used. And you can do that going through each act, and that is how I go about and make my kind of build templates as I progress through the leagues here. So once again, it's a short video. The link here, which I'm going to go right now, is import, and I'm going to go ahead and go back. Don't save. I don't want to save anything I just did. It says build template right here. Open that back up. I'm going to go to import export. I'm going to go to generate, and I'm going to go to share. There we go. And that link will be in the description below. That's it. Thanks for watching.